Are you okay? Why are you copying whatever I'm doing? Like, are we running any kind of race or something? Yes, yes. I want to compete with you. You want to compete with me? For what? Because I want to also become a motivational speaker like you. You wish to become a motivational speaker. I think you have your own way of doing it. Why do we have to compete with each other? Who has set the competition here? That's how we become like a motivational speaker, you know. Okay, let me ask you some questions, and I'm going to prove by the end of that third question that you're going to answer that competition is bad. Agreed? Okay. Okay. I'll answer your questions. You ask me. Okay. First question. Tell me something. Did you become a better version of yourself from yesterday? Yes, I became very better. I was able to understand people. I was able to understand myself, and I was also so conscious about myself that how much I have changed. Okay. Was I the reason for that? Being in this competition, or did you do it by yourself? No, you didn't help me. I did it by myself. The second question that I wish to ask you is, tell me, why do you want to become a motivational speaker in first place? I want to help people. I want to motivate them, you know. When I motivate others, when I help them to do something difficult and to face their problems with ease, I feel very happy from inside. I want to help people too. I want to be there as well. I want to learn as well. Don't you think it is our common goal and we have to help each other rather than going against each other? But everybody say that we have to compete. Competition should be there to succeed in life. It is very important to compete with each other in the same industry. We are in the same industry, so we have to compete with each other, and we have to compare. We are not friends. Okay. The last question. Tell me, did you go to the same school like I did? Did you study the same way I did? Do you have the friends like I do? Did you have the experience like I did in my life? How much I have been motivated, inspired, depressed and all that? No, not at all. We are different. We are very different. We are different. Then how do you think we are the same and we have to compete? You have your own origins, you have your own connections and experiences, which is authentic and which is beautiful. I have my own. So how are we even comparing ourselves? So if we have to compare something which has to be similar, there is no similarity with each other. Not even the people who are born in the same family. I can't compare myself to my brother. He has his own struggles and he has his own limitations. So did I. True. Hey guys, I hope you liked my action. And the whole point of doing this was to make you understand that we constantly keep on competing ourselves, comparing ourselves to other people which have been put forth by the society or the parents from the childhood onwards, and we think that competition is very, very essential to grow, but that's not the case. That's not the truth. You have to compare yourself from yesterday and how you have grown up, how you have surpassed all the limitations and have become a better person, rather than compare it to some Sharma's son or Sharma's daughter. So please do not do that. Compete with your own self, and when you are working for the common goal with two people together, it's more of a collective thing than just an individual thing. So that would definitely make the world beautiful, and your journey and the process of achieving the goal will also be beautiful. Thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.